In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning website using Wix, specifically tailored for a digital marketing agency. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring you end up with a professional online presence that showcases your services, attracts clients, and integrates seamlessly with your marketing efforts. First, let's begin by opening a Chrome browser and navigating to the Wix website. If you haven't already signed up for an account, take a moment to do so. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, click on Create New Site. Wix will then prompt you to select the type of website you want to build. Choose Business, and within that category, select Digital Marketing Agency. This will provide a variety of templates specifically designed with digital marketing needs in mind. Now, with your template selected, the Wix editor will open, allowing you to start customizing. This is where the fun begins. The template serves as a great starting point, but it's the personalization that truly makes your website stand out. Begin by customizing the homepage with your unique offerings. You can edit the text to detail your services such as SEO, social media management, or content creation, making sure they are clear and compelling. Add sections for your previous work or portfolio. This helps potential clients see the quality and range of your expertise. As you move to the About Us page, introduce your team. Include brief bios and even photos to help personalize your agency. This not only makes your website more engaging, but also builds trust with visitors by showcasing the people behind the work. Next, it's crucial to integrate contact forms and call to action buttons throughout your site. Place these prominently so visitors can easily reach out or schedule a consultation. Ensure your forms are simple, asking only for essential information to avoid deterring potential leads. Call to action buttons should be clearly labeled with phrases like "get in touch" or "learn more" to guide user engagement. Connecting your social media accounts is another vital step. Within the Wix editor, look for social media icons and link them to your profiles. This creates a seamless connection between your online presence and social platforms, assisting in broader engagement. Don't forget to optimize your SEO settings. Wix provides tools for adding meta tags and descriptions that enhance search engine visibility. Once you're satisfied that everything looks polished and professional, it's time to publish your website. Hit the Publish button at the top right corner of the editor, and your site will go live. Remember to revisit your site regularly to update it with new content or changes in services to keep it fresh and relevant. Congratulations, you now have a fully functional digital marketing agency website on Wix. It's more than just a web page, it's a powerful tool designed to connect with clients, showcasing your brand and expertise effectively. Thank you for joining me today, and happy website building.